Hello friends, I'm making snack for my husky. His name is Max. Snack I have here apple, little banana because banana have lots of calories. So just a little. One apple is under 10 pound and little bit watermelon. So take out all the seeds, everything, and I'm gonna add basmati. 3 times a day I give him for the joints, and I have lime main mushroom and a turkey tail mushroom. So I add one baswalia capsule inside and 2 capsule and lime mushroom. Then this much I give him the turkey tail mushroom. Is for immune. His cancer survive. His cancer survive. So I am adding for him. Build his immune strong, protect him from cancer. So mushroom is very good. And then I add Greek plain yogurt, this one. His big dog, almost 4 spoon, big one, and then mix everything. So I mix everything is like that. Here he enjoy his snack. So you can give to your pup like that, healthy and snack, and they love it. Okay, enjoy. Bye.